What's up, travelers and viajeros out there? Today we are in a very small village here in Mexico. It's about 3 hours south of Tulum. It's 40 minutes away from the Belize-Mexican border. Today we are here in Bacalar, and this is an iconic place for the 7-colored lagoon. So here's the plan for today. Bacalar, do it yourself. We're gonna be hitting up all the cenotes, mostly by walk. Maybe we hitchhike, perhaps we take a taxi, but at the end there's going to be a great surprise waiting, so stick around. One like because I helped her.
Dando basura el giratario.
Todo bien, gracias. Hasta luego. Trying to get in, but it's closed. Apparently already. It's open. It's open. Solo 5 minutos. Right, so this was the first Cenote Bruja to get started, to warm up a little bit. But I can tell you there's 3 more. This is Cenote Esmeralda. Yeah, this is paradise. Look at the colors. Wow, the colors, look at the colors. Wow, it's super funny, super cool. They are doing like water aerobic right here in paradise.
Eso!
Wow, that was the second Cenote Esmeralda, and the last part really unexpected, but a lot of fun dancing with the girls. Now on to the next Cenote Cocalitos and Cenote Azul afterwards, and then we're going for the highlight of the day, and I will tell you much later where this is. Alright guys, so this is Cenote Cocalitos, and yeah, as you can see there's many more people, and it's really beautiful as the one that we just went to before, which is already like very close to this one here. However, I think it's extremely beautiful. You had to pay 35 pesos to get in, so compared to Tulum this is like very affordable here. There it's much more expensive, like 230, 250 pesos. And yeah, I've got to jump in here now too.
Yes. I get it quickly before I fry out here and I turn into a leather back.
How's your day?
That was cute.
Right, so that was Cocalitos. I took some drone shots also from Cenote Azul. We're gonna skip that one now. I'm enjoying my ice cream instead. Now you gotta find a taxi to go to our highlight spot. Huh? Highlight spot.
Bonanza.
I don't know what you're talking about. La Bonanza, here we are. I'm super excited, guys. Oh. Wow guys, this is honestly by far the most beautiful spot where you can truly experience all the colors the lagoon has to offer. So come here and enjoy. I know I will. But guys, as an added bonus, you can take a kayak from La Bonanza to come here to another secret spot called El Encanto. It's right next to it. I highly recommend it. Right, so this was 7 colors, all the cenotes. Do it yourself in Bacalar. Now go and hit that like button, subscribe to my channel. I see you in the next one. Bye bye. We're standing on the road and we're trying to hitchhike. En serio? Oh
So much love.
my god. This is happening in Mexico. Now hitchhiking and we get some drinks.
Cerveza.
Me encanta eso. He says he trusts us, so he takes us in his car whilst hitchhiking. A like for him and a like for this video.